Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me iOS device, and now I'm gonna show you how to use several WhatsApp accounts on one iPhone. To do it, you just need to install the WhatsApp application and log in into one account, and then to install second account, we need to install another WhatsApp application. To do it, we just need to open the App Store and find your WhatsApp business. Of course, we can use other applications, like I just show you. We just can use other applications like WhatsApp Duo, WhatsApp Web, Dual Chat, Messenger Web for WhatsApp, but I have suspicions about these applications, and I suggest you use just normal WhatsApp Business official application, because of course we can perform the experiment, but when in experience we have our chats, I suggest you not to experimentate with your private chats and with your business chats too. So click green continue, and here you need to enter the number you want to use. So now I will enter this number, so I will call to my device to check my phone number. So wait a while. We need to open now reasons and go set up later. So is this number, and I will copy it and I will use it like a WhatsApp number. So here we need to choose the country. I'm in Poland, so I need the Poland number choose, then click done, wait a while, click continue, and now it will send a code message. So let's wait for the message. So I need help with getting code, so I just want to try to call. Okay, and now I will answer.
To receive your WhatsApp verification code, press 0. To receive your WhatsApp verification code, press 0.
0, okay.
Your verification code is 3290777. Your verification code is...
And great. Validation code. And cool. I have entered into another WhatsApp account on the same device. Now I'll show you how it works. So of course you need to enter your name. So click done, business category. The business just choose and that's it. Click next, okay, allow, and cool, and here we have chats right now. So for example, start messaging, and for example, you contact, and I wanna send a message to my primary phone number. So I'll try to do it right now. So I just need to add it to the contacts. Save, okay, send a message, and I will send message. Wait a while and open normal WhatsApp application, and as you can see here we have the message. Here we have the message from us. As you can see, we have two applications on our device, WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business, and in this way we can use several accounts on our device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.